Samadhi. Today, Samadhi flew from the cage to the couch. So he's beginning to use his wings more. And this is very exciting. Right now, he's just chilling on my shoulder, taking in a breathtaking view of the city. Come here. He makes this noise, like he's growling at me sometimes. He doesn't want me to touch him. Today I took him to the kava bar, and of course, whenever I take him out, he's always attracting attention, which it's nice, but when I'm trying to get things done, it's kind of irritating, but at the same time, it's good to get him out of the house or the apartment, so yeah.